I wish that we were on TV, just like in Pokemon. You'd be a Pika girl in the Poke world. Yes, life would be so fun. I'd be a trainer boy and I would make a choice to know answers for you. I tried Pokemon and I would catch them all. Give me my Pikachu.
The Fitness Gram Pacer test is a multi-stage aerobic capacity test that progressively gets more difficult as it continues. The 20-meter pacer test will begin in 30 seconds. Line up at the start. The running speed starts slowly, but gets faster each minute after you hear this signal. A single lap should be completed each time you hear this sound. Remember to run in a straight line, and run as long as possible. The second time you fail to complete a lap before the sound, your test is over. The test will begin on the word start. On your mark, get ready, start.
Yes! I bought your Colgate toothpaste, the one with tartar control, and it made me feel like a piece of shit! This is bullshit! Fire! I hope this is the pop-daddy version of the song, not that singing piece of shit!